Good day to everyone. In this video, we shall learn about the HTTP methods. HTTP methods, they are like the instructions which you give to a website or a web server to do certain actions. Think of them as a different types of request, a way you can be interacting with a web page or an online service. HTTP methods are the standardized verbs used in the request to indicate the desired action to be performed on a resource. Some of the main HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete, and patch. We do have other types like head, options, trace, connect, but we usually use these get, post, put, delete, and patch. Now let us understand one by one what are these methods. First is get. The get method, it is used to retrieve the information from the given server using the URI. Request using get, it should only retrieve the data and it should not have no other effect on the data. Basically, it asks for the data. For example, if you go to any page to read an article, your browser, it uses the get to ask the server to send the article to you. Next is post method. A post request, it is used to send the data to the server. For example, customer information or any file upload, etc. like this. It uses the HTML formats. It sends the data to the server to create something new. For example, when you fill out any form and submit a form to sign up for a new account, then the browser, it uses the post to send the information to the server. Next method is put. Put, it replaces all the current representations of the target resource with the uploaded content. Means it sends the data to the server to update something or create if it does not exist. For example, if you change your profile information on a website, your web browser, it might use the put to send the updated info to the server. Next is delete. Delete, it removes all the current representations of the target resource given by a URI. That means it asks the server to delete something. If you want to delete a post or a photo from your account, your browser, it uses the delete to tell the server to remove it. Next is patch method. Patch method, it sends the partial updates to the server. For example, if you want to update just your email ID in your profile, the web browser, it uses the patch. It will send only the new email address to the server. These are the 5 important HTTP methods which we use regularly. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.